Welcome to MedTech Global Insights. In today's episode, we're diving deep into the complexities of medical device registration requirements. This is often the biggest hurdle for innovators, turning a brilliant idea into a market-ready product. The regulatory landscape is a labyrinth, a maze of different rules, languages, and requirements that change from one country to another. Let's start with a common scenario. Imagine a promising medtech startup based in the US has developed a groundbreaking diagnostic tool using AI. They have FDA clearance and are seeing great success domestically. The next logical step is global expansion. They target the European Union, a massive market. But they immediately hit a wall. They didn't realize that the clinical data that satisfied the FDA isn't sufficient for the EU's notified bodies under the new MDR regulations. Their technical documentation is missing key elements required by the European standards. They didn't have a local representative, a legal requirement. This misstep cost them a year in delays and hundreds of thousands of dollars in rework. This isn't a rare story. A common pitfall is underestimating the localization required for each market. It's not just about translating your documents. It's about adapting your entire regulatory strategy. For instance, in Japan, the Pharmaceutical and Medical Device Agency, or PMDA, has a highly detailed and unique review process. They often require additional specific clinical studies conducted in Japan or on a Japanese population. Without this local knowledge, your submission is likely to be rejected. Another major challenge is managing the sheer volume and complexity of technical documentation. Your technical dossier is the heart of your submission. It includes everything from device specifications and manufacturing processes to clinical evaluation reports and risk management files. A single product might require thousands of pages of documentation. Now, imagine you're targeting 10 different countries. Each has its own format and specific requirements. In Brazil, for example, Anvisa requires a specific structure for the technical file, and any updates must be submitted in a very precise manner. Manually managing this for multiple markets is a recipe for errors, inconsistencies, and delays. This is where technology becomes a game changer. Companies like Chen-Global leverage advanced AI to compile, manage, and submit these complex technical dossiers. Their systems can automatically adapt a core dossier to meet the specific templates and requirements of over 30 different markets, dramatically reducing the risk of human error and speeding up the submission process. Let's consider another real-world example. A scale-up company wanted to enter 5 new markets in Southeast Asia simultaneously. Instead of approaching each market one by one, a process that could take years, they used a unified strategy. By working with a partner with established local entities, they were able to use a single streamlined process to prepare and submit their applications. This single process, multiple markets approach is a significant advantage. It means your core technical file is adapted and submitted through a network of local experts who understand the nuances of each regulatory body, from Singapore's HSA to Thailand's FDA. This is the core of what Chen-Global provides, a combination of global reach with deep local expertise. They act as your local representative, handle the submissions, and manage communications with the authorities, all coordinated through a central platform. So what's the key takeaway for medtech innovators? Don't treat global registration as an administrative afterthought. It needs to be a core part of your business strategy from day one. Understand that each market is unique. Plan for the specific clinical, technical, and quality management requirements of your target regions, and leverage technology and expert partners to navigate the complexity. Building a robust, scalable regulatory strategy is not just about compliance. It's about unlocking your product's full global potential. If you have questions about your own market access strategy or want to learn how to streamline your registration process, feel free to email us at info@pureglobal.com or visit our website at https://pureglobal.com. Thanks for tuning in to MedTech Global Insights.